We're talking about breaking a long fast, okay? Breaking a 36 or a 48-hour fast. I like to take a whole day to wake up the digestive system. It's been asleep, repairing and cleansing and healing, and so now we need to bring it back to life. And so you do that by eating smaller, easier to digest meals, and then eating frequently throughout this day to bigger and more complex meals, okay? So bone broth, you guys have heard me talk about this, is my go-to, my favorite way to break a long fast is with bone broth, and then maybe in an hour or two you can have more bone broth, or maybe you can have a soup with some actual meat in there. Then you can start getting into some lean proteins, and then we can start getting into some more fats, bigger size, and then of course your vegetables and all that. So you can have steamed vegetables in the beginning too as well, lean protein, steamed vegetables, and then maybe some sardines as we get closer because there's more fat in there. The things that are going to be harder to digest would be anything in large quantity, large amounts of fat specifically, and raw vegetables, raw nuts. Those are really, you're going to want to wait till we get later in the fast. Of course, processed foods, those should be limited anyways, and those can really mess you up too as well when you're coming out of the fast.